Hello everyone, I'm Mamta Narula, a Google certified teacher and a Google champion. Today I'm excited to show you how Mail Merge in Gmail can personalize our email communications. So what exactly is Mail Merge? Mail Merge is a powerful tool that helps you quickly and easily send personalized emails to your contacts. And these contacts' names, email address, and other data are stored in Google Sheet. Let us look at a practical use case for Mail Merge. In my class, I have 8 new students and I need to inform their parents that their child has been selected for a particular activity. Additionally, I need to notify them about scheduled date of orientation and request their presence at school. So there are 2 options to handle this task. First is compose and send each email individually, and this is going to be time consuming and prone to errors. Second is use Mail Merge. It will automatically generate and send personalized emails using a template and a Google Sheet with the necessary data. Now let us dive into demo and see how this works in practice. So I will first go to Gmail and I'll compose a mail. This is the mail which I want to send. This says, Dear, here I want the name of parent to be there. We are glad to inform you that your ward, I want the name of ward to be here, is selected for dash activity. So I want the name of activity which is being allotted to student here. We are doing the orientation for this in mini auditorium at 8 a.m. on. Here I want the date to be inserted. So all this data I have stored in Google spreadsheet. You can see parent name, ward name, activity allotted and date, and these are the emails on which I want these emails to be sent. So I'm coming to my Gmail once again. In the recipient column, I'm going to click, and then just after CC and VCC, you'll find a logo of Mail Merge. Click on that and click on this checkbox and then click on Add from Spreadsheet. Here I am going to select the spreadsheet in which the data is there. Click on that spreadsheet and then click on Insert. It is going to ask me the column in which email is there. So I will select that column email, and first name, I want to send it to parent. I'll select the column parent name. Since the last name, it is not there in my spreadsheet, so I'm leaving it blank. Then I'm clicking on finish. Now I will come to the body of the email. So here I have to write the name of the parent. So I have to use certain merge tags for which I'm going to use a symbol @. And moment I write @, the drop down will come. From where I will select parent name. And then here I want to write the name of the ward. I'll click on @, and from the drop down I will select. Then I have to write the name of the activity. So I will again click on @, and from the drop down I will select activity allotted. And in this last blank I need to write the date. So I am going to click here, and moment I write @, so I have added the tags. So now you are going to click on continue. So you can send a preview email to see that is everything right, and if you are satisfied you can click on send all. In your sent mail, within seconds you will find all the emails. While using Mail Merge, here are some important things to keep in mind. You can add up to 1500 recipient in the 2-line per message. Large amount of storage is used if email has attachment. And also keep in mind that Mail Merge cannot be used with following types of messages. I hope the information I have shared with you proves to be useful.